નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English grammar lesson number 11 adjectives ing ed form. As you know students, in our previous video we completed teaching points related to adjectives ing and ed forms. There where you have to keep in mind two things, where we have to put ing form of adjective and where we have to put ed form of adjectives. Ing form of adjective is used to describe things. It is used to describe things. Whenever we have to describe anything, then we have to use ing form of adjectives. And on other side, where we have to use ed form. Ed form is used to describe emotions and feelings. Whenever we talk about emotions and feelings, at that time we have to use ed form. Okay? Two things you have to keep in mind. Now, based on that two things we learned in our previous video, we have to do exercise here in this video. Exercise A, first of all we have to do. But before starting our exercise, just we require textbook of English grammar. So, bring your textbook with you and just open page number 40 number page and keep attention with me. We have to do exercise A here. First of all, exercise A's heading is given here. See, we have to understand about it, then we have to do exercise. Exercise A's heading is given here. Complete the following sentences with appropriate forms of adjectives given in the brackets. Now what we have to do in that exercise? Complete the following sentences with appropriate forms of adjectives given in the bracket. Here some sentences is given. Based on that, we have to understand the sentence and one bracket is given here. In that bracket, words we have to use that word and we have to fill up the bracket or fill up the blanks with that word, but with ing and ed form. Appropriate form of adjectives we have to put here. If we are talking about describing any things, then we have to use ing form. And if we are talking about feelings and emotions, then we have to use ed form of adjective. Understand? Based on that, we have to do exercise A. So first sentence I read from the textbook. Keep attention here. Everybody just open your textbook and see with me. Okay, first sentence is given here. I feel blank. Bracket, one word is given here, bore, B-O-R-E, bore, when watching classical movies. Here first sentence I speak that I feel this, bore word is given here, when watching classical movies. Now according to describing things or emotions, we have to put ing or ed form of bore, B-O-R-E. Just what is this? Just think about it. I feel bored. I feel. Here we are talking about our emotions and feelings. And whenever we describe emotions and feelings, we have to use which type of form of adjective? Yes, ed. Ed we have to add here. So after bore, we have to add ed and we have to complete our answer. So I write answer here. become. What is become here? B-O-R-E-D. So in first blank you have to put bored, B-O-R-D, because we are talking about feelings and emotion here. And whenever we talk about feelings and emotions, we require ed form of adjective. Understand, student? Now second blank we have to see. Second blank is given here. It was blanks in brackets. Surprise word is given here. Surprised to hear that he was appointed the project engineer so soon. I was blanks to hear that he was appointed the project engineer so soon. Here surprise word is given here. It was, here we describing it. It was. So we describe some things here. Describing some things here. To describe something, which type of form of adjectives we require? Yes, ing form. So what we have to do here? Surprising. What we have to do here? Surprising. So your answer become here. Second number answer become here. Surprising. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-I-N-G. So here second blank you have to write surprising. Now third sentence we have to describe. Third sentence. See here. Third sentence is given here. The cow looked blanks when she did not find her cow. Here in brackets worry word is given. W-O-R-R-Y. Worry word is given here. According to that worry, we have to put appropriate form of adjective. Okay? First of all, see, it is related to emotions or describing things. We have to decide. The cow looked blanks when she did not find her cow. Here we are talking about emotions of cow. Emotions of cow. So whenever we have to describe emotions and feelings, we require which type of form of adjective? Yes, worried we have to write here. What we have to write here? Worried. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Worried you have to write here. Third answer. Now fourth one we have to say. Fourth sentence is given here. See. The theory of relativity is so blanks that Einstein himself admitted that very few have understood it. Here in bracket, confused word is given. Confused. Here we discussed about theory of Einstein. So it is a one type of description. One type of describe something. To describe something, we require which type of form? ing form. So what we have to put here? Confusing. We have to put here confusing. Fourth answer become here confusing. Now fifth sentence we have to see. Now fifth sentence we have to see. Fifth sentence is given here. See. All this attention is embarrassed to me. Embarrassed to me. Here embarrass is given here. Embarrassed. All this attention, we describe about attention. Here description of attention is given here. Whenever we have to describe anything, what we have to use? Yes, ing form. So what we have to put here? Embarrassing. We have to put here embarrassing. So our fifth answer becomes like that, embarrassing. Now sixth sentence we have to see. Sentence number 6. See, I read from text. The boys in the factory had a permanently blank look on their faces. The boys in the factory had a permanently blank. Here in brackets, starved is word is given. Starved. S-T-A-R-V-E-D. Starved is given here. Look on their faces. Here we discussed about feelings and emotions of the boys in the factory. We discussed about feelings. So, whenever we discussed about feelings, we have to use ed form here. So, what we have to put here? Starved. STARVED. We have to write in our blank. Now, seventh sentence we have to see. Sentence number 7 we have to see. You are blank's person, said the fairy to Midas. Here, demand word is given here. Demand. You are a blank's person. Here, we describe about a person. Person's description is given here. We describe anything. Person's describing is given here. So whenever describing is given, we have to put ing form. So what we have to put here? Demanding. In seventh blank, we have to write demanding. Can you understand, student? Now 8 number we have to see. 8 sentence is given here. See. Sally glanced at her cookies with a blank feeling. Sally glanced at her cookies with a blank feeling. Here in bracket, satisfied word is given here. Satisfied, here we are talking about Sally's emotions and feelings. We are talking about Sally's emotions and feelings here. So we have to put ed form here. So what is happen here? Satisfied we have to write SATISFIED. We have to write satisfied here in our 8 number blank. Now blank number 9 we have to see. Blank number 9. See in your textbook. Sleep now. You will wake up. Blanks and brackets. Relax word is given here. Relax. Sleep now. You will wake up. Relax. Here we talking about any person's feelings or emotions. We are talking about feelings and emotion of person. So we have to use ed form here. Relax word is given and ed form of relax it's become a relaxed. What we have to put here? Relaxed. RELAXED. We have to put relaxed here. Now 10th number sentence we have to see. Sentence number 10 we have to see. See, Harry Potter's 4th book has blank climax. Here in brackets, frightened word is given here. Frightened word is given here. Here we are talking about Harry Potter's 4th book has a. We describe about Harry Potter's 4th book. We describe it here. So whenever we describe anything, then we have to put ing form. We have to put ing form. So here frightened word is given. So we have to write here frightening. Frightening in the blank. What we have to write here? Frightening. FRIGHTENING. Frightening we have to write in the blanks. Now 11th number sentence we have to see. Sentence number 11th. See here. Sentence 11th is given here. See. Due to financial problems, he had a blank night. Due to financial problems, he had a blank night. Here in bracket, trouble word is given here. Trouble. Now we describe some problems here. We describe some problems, troubles. Troubles is related to with our emotions and feelings. And whenever we talked about emotions and feelings, we have to put ed form. So in that blank, we are talking about emotions and feelings of financial problems. That person's feelings and emotions we discussed. So we have to put here ed form of trouble. So what is the ed form of trouble is here? T-R-O-U-B-L-E-D. So we have to put here troubled. Now last blank we have to see, blank number 12. The blank's walls had deflected plaster and random patches. The blank's walls had deflecting plaster and random patches. Here we describe about wall. दीवार की बात कर रहे हैं हम, यहाँ पे दीवार की बात कर रहे हैं. So in bracket as word is given, as word is given here. So we describe about walls here. So whenever we describe anything, we have to put ing form here. So what we have to put here? Asing. What we have to put here? A-Z-I-N-G. We have to put asing here in that last blank. Can you understand, student? So here our exercise A all. You have to complete all the blanks in your grammar textbook with pencil. All the answers is given here. You have to complete in your grammar textbook. Okay? Now remaining exercise we have to do in our next video.
Thank you for joining us